F-26 here, just tips, repairs, and hobbies, and we got Spider-Man here we're going to put together, hopefully. So, here's his torso. Put a little glue in there. Put the glue over there. And grab his right arm. Put it on there. Whoops. Silly little devil. And we're not working too well here, guys. I don't know. Needs a little glue right there. Put that right there. And then we're going to put this over here. Gotta hold it for a few seconds for it to really cure up. Put some glue here and here. There. I think we're going to put some glue right there. Okay. And we're going to paint this afterwards, so we have to do some puttying on it. Probably do the puttying after all the glue dries. Excuse me. This glue has a slight odor to it. Bothers my asthma. Hey, we got 9% off of bamboo printers. You look on my post and community, and you go to the link there. You get 9% off on a brand new bamboo printer if you want to get into 3D printing. I just figured I'd mention that. Just gotta hold it there. Okay, got a string here. We don't need that. Put some glue in here. Put his head on. Let's zoom out here a little bit. You can see this. There he is all together. And hope you enjoy my videos. You'll see this in a short, it all painted. Okay, I may do a video just painting when she dries, but got a glue mark there. I hope you enjoy my videos. They're for your benefit. Lay him down there like that. He's resting. Taking a nap. I'm gonna cap off the glue. We got seams to do. We're gonna do the seams, I think, with putty. I got some putty over here. Gotta wear a glove. Glasso I use, and I wear a rubber glove to do that, but it's gotta dry. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll see you in the next video. Rate, subscribe, and give a thumbs up. And bye for now. Have a great day.